got earplugs in even tell us what it is. It's on fire. It's on fire. It's under.
What?
Under there. Over there.
Righto, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to get this these rings seated in. It's been rebuilt, so I want to make sure we don't get any glazing in the cylinders. Get this car out on the road, load these rings up, accelerate, decelerate. I've got a mechanical gauge set up on the dash, so I know exactly what's going on. I've got 70 psi, cold, and warms up, it's about 60, so really good oil pressure in this. Got my tripod set up in the car for the camera. Get this out the road and hopefully give you guys a good idea of how to break these rings in. Basically a process of accelerating, decelerating. I'm going to use second gear because I'm just around the streets here locally. 4,500 back down to 2,000. Decelerate, the rings push into the cylinder walls as you decelerate, so that really helps the seating. Yeah, let's take it for a run. All right, that went pretty well. Seems to be hesitating sort of into the secondary, so I think I'm going to play with the power valve and possibly just a couple of jet sizes in the back. The primaries seem pretty good. The plugs look perfect. The brownie tinge to them. There's no leanness there. I think I've got a transition from primary to secondary problem, so I'll work on that. Apologies for the sound quality on that one too. The little microphone didn't really like being pinned to the window. Didn't pick up the engine that well. I'll work on that for next time. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.